Hey, we got a big surprise here at the LA Auto Show. A couple days back, I got to preview for you guys the all-new Toyota Camry, the 9th generation. And they're over there. We got the silver one, the Toyota Jeff, always making an appearance here. And then we got the new ocean gem color back there behind the tree. Now, I wasn't expecting this. This is another XSE. This is in Blizzard Pearl. I'll probably check out the color. Well, maybe not. It's not showing up there, but it is a white Camry XSE. I was not expecting seeing this. You know, I just came over from the Honda booth where we had the Prelude, right? Saw it in Japan. It's also here now. But the Prelude has a actually very similar kind of front beak situation that we have on the new Camry. It's very reminiscent of the Prius as well. What do you think? Do you guys like it in white? I think it looks better in white than it does in the silver. Let me know. Would you guys pick the silver XSE or the white one? But what's more surprising with the all-new hybrid-only Camry is these wheels. These are a different style of wheel. These are going to be 19-inch wheels on this XSE model, which is a completely different style than the 5-spoke, split-spoke design that they have going on down here. This is a much more attractive wheel design in my opinion. I'll see you guys battle it out down below which wheel design you like better, but I hope you can get this out of the factory. It looks fantastic. Maybe it's a dealer accessory wheel that you can order, but the side profile, guys, I honestly don't know if it's changed at all from the 8th generation Camry. It looks almost identical. Of course, the front end's a little bit more sharp compared to the last gen. This all looks identical. We now get the panel roof on the hybrid models, which wasn't available in the past. Now, this looks a little different compared to the 8th gen Camry. I don't know if it is. It looks like it comes out a little bit more, and this line looks like it comes back a little bit further as well. Don't have confirmation on that, but really that's the only thing about this new Camry that looks just a little bit different from the side. We come to the back and the bottom. Look at this widened out bottom portion of the back bumper. Now, again, I'm not 100% sure if this bottom portion is going to be paint matched like it is from the factory, but I like it's like a whited out edition. It looks really, really great. Even though you have the glossy black Camry bar that goes around the trunk, I like how this is white at the bottom. Does that mean it's probably going to get really dirty? Probably. I'm sure lots of debris from the road is going to come up. Now we have the exhaust delete here on this side. So that it's like, why would they design a bumper that really only has one exhaust port? Because there's only one powertrain. It's either front wheel drive hybrid or all wheel drive hybrid with the 2.5 liter. So this to me is an Easter egg of things to come. Whether they call it a GR Camry or a TRD Camry, that empty exhaust port to me signifies what's coming in the near future. This XSE also has a glossy black trunk lid spoiler, glossy black piece right here. And you know, the silver one has that decal that we saw in the 8th gen that blacks out the roof. I'm liking it without. Let me know which you like better, paint matched roof, or do you like the black decal roof as well? I'll get into the back seat of the new Camry now. I actually haven't seen the black and the blue. We saw the red interior in the other XSE, and I like this better. I'm not that flashy of a guy anymore. Getting older, I like this black and blue perforated. Look at this. Perforated rear seats. Your passengers are not going to get that sweaty back because these seats will breathe a lot better. 2 USB ports, one USB-A, one USB-C. We do have a drivetrain hump back here, which maybe is a carryover from the last generation. In theory, you shouldn't need that floor hump there because the electric motor provides the all-wheel drive, not a mechanical linkage. So that's kind of a carryover thing going on. Rear vents, if I haven't mentioned that yet. Hard touch to the top, soft touch right here, soft touch on the armrest, and soft touch to the back of the seats, which look really nice. Let's get into the front seat, and this is something I noticed with the other Camry over there. That door felt a little bit better, but this is pre-production, so I'm not going to judge it too much. But the back door felt really, really nice in closing. So again, that perforation here on the front door panel looks great here. I'm not getting yelled at by that red insert on the other interior option. Of course, we have lumbar support here. These seats look very, very comfortable. And the seats have been lengthened. The bottom cushion is now much longer, so people with long legs like myself will be much more comfortable in the new Camry. Blue stitching here on the steering wheel to accent the blue perforation here on these leather seats. 12-inch screen here. You have a 12-inch digital screen underneath this cluster dome here. All new Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 with blind spot monitor, standard leather wrapped steering wheel, super nice to touch. You do have paddle shifters here to mimic 8-speed auto or something like that. We know this has an ECVT, so it's not going to have that automatic transmission traditional feel. Drive mode buttons, traditional shifter, I'm a big fan of this. More USB-C stuff and a wireless charger there, 12-inch screen here, heated and ventilated seats. The new Camry's interior is a big improvement from the outgoing model. Even though we have that glossy black up there, it's pretty minimalized. There's no glossy black going on down here. It's very toned down, as well as just it just seems roomier in here, more modern, more up to date. We have big screens, we have better safety technology, we have better comfort with the newly redesigned seats. I just want to give you guys one last look of the Camry. It will be coming this spring, so stay tuned for pricing, stay tuned for more details like packaging, trim levels. There are 4 trim levels. You have LE, XLE, SE, and XSE. For now, like I said, I'm going to hold out hope for a TRD Camry, a GR Camry, whatever they want to call it. Maybe we get the Hybrid Max powertrain with around 340 horsepower. I think that's a possibility in the future. Maybe they give us a Camry Prime one day. What about a plug-in hybrid Camry? That'd be pretty cool. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.